Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have 5 comfy spring outfits with a little twist of that feminine flair that we just love here on this channel. You are going to love these outfits. They are so wearable, great for like everyday spring attire. I even have an athletic wear one in this one, but it's very girly. Trust me, it's a very girly one. Just a little side note, I did just receive my newest Nuuly rentals for the month. This is probably my best Nuuly rental as of yet. I cannot tell you how much I am so excited about these pieces. So a lot of these are going to be from my Nuuly rental, which I will have links down below in my description box. So let's go ahead and get right in. I want to give you some outfit inspiration for your next casual spring outfit. Don't forget to subscribe though. If you are new here to my channel or you just haven't subscribed yet, I do have new videos for you every week and it's going to be very similar to this, very feminine outfit inspiration, a little bit of lifestyle content as well. So if you enjoy that, definitely click that notification bell on the side as well. That is going to let you know as soon as I have a new video up for you. So my first outfit for you is all about embracing the romantic everyday style, and it's with this dress. This is a maxi dress. It is one of my Nuuly rentals, so I still have the tag attached and everything. I felt like with this off-the-shoulder style, you're definitely checking off the checkbox with romantic. With this dress, you might need to wait for a warmer spring day, which we definitely have been having those here, so this is definitely wearable for me at the moment. However, you can easily layer a cardigan on top of this if you did feel like you needed to add a layer to this to kind of make it a little bit more wearable. And in order to keep this dress more casual, I would definitely stick to slip-on sandals, maybe wedge heels or sneakers. A pair of white sneakers or floral sneakers would look really nice with this. I think that this outfit is perfect for a day out with friends or like a weekend brunch. It just has that look about it. It's very easy to wear. Normally, I'm not wearing off-the-shoulder styles all that much, but recently, for some reason, I've just been falling in love, or I must just be finding really pretty pieces that feature the off-the-shoulder style. So up close, you can see just in a little bit more detail how the dress is designed. Like you have this little support right here that actually I think it does really help. It adds to the design of the dress, but I think it actually is there almost as like some type of support because I feel like it does kind of help it lay a little bit better with this little design right here. I love how you have this little ruffling going along the chest and along the shoulders. It's very, almost adds a little bit more of that girly detail that I love in my pieces. Definitely an empire waist right here, but it is elastic, so you have you still have the support, but you have the given material so you can still breathe and be comfortable. The sleeves do have that sheerness to them, and then on the dress I did notice that it has this metallic threading on it, which I personally am not a huge fan of metallic threading. It's not my favorite thing on dresses, but in this case I really don't mind it. I think it actually kind of complements the dress a little bit. The color of this dress too is so beautiful. Like this is the shade of pink that I am going for this year. It's a little bit more of a warmer pink. Maybe I'm wrong, but I just feel like this is such a universal pink shade that would work on so many different skin tones. I love it. It is just the prettiest everyday dress. For this second look, I want to do a little bit more of a classic spring outfit. So what came to mind is pairing a pastel colored top with a pair of wide leg jeans. So to start the look off, I have this adorable top, which is once again a Nuuly rental. I really love a simple top like this. This is definitely the type of thing I end up gravitating towards in the spring and summer, and this color is just spot on. I love this shade of pink. It's got that perfect amount of warmth to it. The girly details in this is just everything. We love a classic spring outfit, but if we can get those feminine details in there, like the embroidery, the eyelid style, just the whole cut of this is very girly. I love it. Very excited about this one. It does have adjustment in the back. You can adjust the straps and everything, so I think I can get this to fit very nicely. Next up, I would style the top with these wide leg jeans. These jeans are from the brand Pilcrow. I got them in a size 30, and I'm so glad that I did not go to the tall version of these pants because these fit perfectly. I'm a 5'10", and the length is perfection. I have already tried these on, so I know how they fit, but I will give you a more detailed description of the fit on. Wide leg jeans like this look really nice with a little bit of heel. My preference right now are those platform heels, especially with that raffia style. I just felt like those worked really nicely with this outfit, and it also gave it a little bit more of that spring look to it as well, since I'm going for the sandals. You could always go for tennis shoes too. I think that would look really nice and keep it still very casual. I am definitely going to be purchasing these just since jeans are so hard for me to find. And I'm actually surprised, even if you just look at the colors that I go for in my wardrobe, I do have a tendency to go for a lighter wash, but it would be nice to have one dark wash because I have seen this style with like the French girl styles, this style of jean paired with a really nice pair of shoes and then just a very simple, elegant blouse. And that is definitely the way that I'm going with my style. Like I just want that elegant simplicity every now and then, getting those girly details in there. Like for instance with this top, of course. I did notice with the top that I am having a little bit of gaping right here. It's really not a big deal to me because I do kind of fill it out very nicely, but I do have that extra room right there. I personally did decide to layer a cardigan with this particular outfit to make it more wearable for right now. And since this top has white lace trimming on it, I decided to go for a white cardigan just to kind of match that and keep it nice and clean and fresh. I think any other neutral cardigan would work well with this, but I just wanted to keep it very simple and keep to the colors that were already in the outfit, especially since I have the dark wash jeans. I don't know, I just feel like it looked really nice styled together. Okay, so this next dress is from the brand called Beach Riot. There is nothing better than this dress. There can't be, especially when it comes to athletic wear. It is a tennis dress. This is probably like the cutest piece of activewear that is in my closet right now. Like this is just too cute. I love it when you can find dresses that are activewear and then they have these little shorts underneath them, so you just feel super confident. You don't have to worry about anything. The fact that this one comes with a built-in bra too just is really helpful. Like you just don't have to worry about it. This is what you're gonna see me walking my dogs in. Like I just love this type of thing. I've been wearing this quite a bit actually, the little tennis dresses. I've been very much obsessed with them recently. They just really work very well when it's super humid and hot out, but you're not wanting to throw on your outfit of the day yet, but you want to throw on something cute to look nice in when you're exercising, and this is definitely that for me. I love how this one too is a little bit longer because most of the tennis dresses that I've tried have been too short. Like even with the shorts underneath them, like they just hit an odd length. They're not flattering for my height, but this one is actually long enough. I just think it's super flattering and very easy to throw on if you do like going out and walking and going on bike rides and you're just very active when it's super hot out. This is just something that's super comfortable for that. I did get this specific dress in a size medium and it fits perfectly. I'm usually a size 8 in dresses and I think it fits perfectly. I have just been obsessed with these tennis dresses, but I'm so picky with them. And these ones have little pockets, so you can put like your cell phone in them if you listen to like audio stuff when you're walking the beach. Oh my goodness. Since this is more of like a sport attire dress, I would definitely style more tennis shoes with this. I have a pair of floral tennis shoes that are actually pretty nice for walking because this is just the perfect dress to style cute tennis shoes with. I mean, it just calls for it with the color. The quality of this is wonderful, and I know it's a little bit more on the expensive side for athletic wear, but I definitely see why. This fourth outfit is going to be what would be a classic work outfit for me. This is a top from Anthropologie, and it's that really pretty off-the-shoulder style, and I love the ruffled look of it. It's very easy to tuck into high-waisted pieces as well, since it is a little bit more on the cropped side. This one I think is a little bit more on the romantic side, once again, because it has that off-the-shoulder style. It does have the elastic along the shoulder line. This is such a classic spring top, just a basic white top, but with all of those, it just reminds me of like a French girl top. It's very classic and simple and elevated, but it's very good quality. If you just take a simple white top like this and then just pair it with wide leg linen pants, you have a classic casual but elevated outfit. These are a pair of linen pants from Dish, and I love them. They have the lining inside of them, so you really don't have to worry about what you wear underneath them. It's amazing. Like, I highly recommend these. I've been loving these. They have been such a great staple to my spring wardrobe. I love to just add in my favorite sandals to the outfit, and personally my favorite right now are these brown slide-on sandals, so I would definitely go for those. I think that the finishing touch for this outfit comes with the jewelry. I think that gold tone jewelry really just complements it very well. I tend to wear these ones. These are the twist hoops that I have in that gold tone. And I think really any type of jewelry would complement this outfit very well, especially since you have that off-the-shoulder style. It just calls for a gold tone necklace or something simple, but you have that finishing look to it, that extra little delicate touch to kind of make it a little bit more feminine too. I got this blouse in a size medium and I'm very happy with the fit. It is designed to be a little bit more on the oversized fit, so I don't mind that I have this extra room right here. It does make it really nice to tuck into high-waisted pieces, although right here I am noticing it kind of overlapping a little bit. I've been styling the off-the-shoulder style just on the tip of my shoulder, just because I feel like it grabs it really nicely with my frame, but you could always pull it down a little bit further if you wanted to go for like a more of like a dinner date night look. You could definitely get that with this blouse too, and I really do think that the gold tone jewelry is the finishing touch. Like even if you went with more of a statement piece of jewelry, that would really tie it in as more of like a special occasion look, and yet you can make it super casual like this outfit, just pair with linen trousers. So I really like the options with this blouse. I think there are a lot of different looks that I could get with a top like this. Okay, this last outfit, we're embracing ultra feminine style. Like we're just gonna go with it. So to start off, I have this adorable cute pink dress that I'm wearing right now. This is another Nuuly rental. This dress is just everything girly and summer. So I have already worn this dress out and oh my goodness, this dress, where do I even begin? It comes down to a nice length in the back too, a little bit shorter than I'm used to, but I do style little shorts underneath it. Even with me getting the size large, like I definitely have, it's gaping a little bit right here, but I really don't mind. It is very comfortable, and I did feel like it was kind of crunching up a little bit while I was wearing this out, but I really didn't mind it. I think it is just too comfortable and too cute. You do have that wraparound style, and then it does come up in the front like that, like a wraparound little skirt. I didn't have any problems with that. I was very comfortable in this dress the entire evening. Since I did size up in this dress, I do feel like I'm having a little bit of issues with the sleeves. I just feel like they keep on falling down. Like I want to keep them floofed up like this, so that they look nice and puffy, but they do kind of slouch down. It's only because I decided to size up. Whereas if I had gone for size medium, I think that I wouldn't have that issue, but I think I would have the issue of it being too short. So I'm just enjoying wearing this right now. Like I just think it is perfect as we're getting into summer. This is the very first mini dress style that I have gotten from Love Shack Fancy that I'm actually comfortable wearing out. Like it is so cute and comfortable. I love the details along the sleeves. The color, once again, is spot on. Like this is the shade of pink that I want to be wearing in the summer. It's not too much. It's not a bright neon pink. It's very muted and soft and feminine, but it's there. This dress gives such a fun and stylish look. It's very girly. With this dress in particular, I would consider going for a fun pair of wedges, but since it is a mini dress for me, I would go for a little bit more of a smaller heel. So I personally like it with my platform heels again. I just think it's the perfect amount of height for me, with it being a mini dress style for me to be comfortable in. Even though it is a comfortable dress, I just am a little bit more comfortable in a smaller heel when it comes to mini dresses. So that's how I decided to style it. I would also add in my raffia handbag to keep it nice and casual, but elevated. Something to think about if you wanted to dress this up for more of like even like a bridal shower or like a brunch date or something, consider styling like a statement clutch with it, because I think that a pearl clutch, oh my goodness, that would look so cute with this. Some type of summery handbag would look nice, any type of handbag, but I of course went for my raffia handbag. This is just such a cute casual option in my opinion. It's definitely one of the cutest mini dresses I have come across. So there you have it. Those are my 5 chic and casual outfits for spring that are definitely have that feminine flair to them. I hope these looks inspired you for your next spring outfit. Let me know which outfit was your favorite, because I can't pick a favorite. It's too hard. I don't know why I'm asking you to do it, but let me know if you do have an outfit preference. I always like hearing your favorites. And yeah, I hope you got some inspiration from this. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Don't forget to like this because it really does help the video do well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. And I will see you in my next fashion video. Bye.